Dear future wife, salamat dahil hindi mo sinubukang tumakbo at sumakay na ng Roro. In the past 4 years of our relationship, long distance, sa loob ng 1 taon, 1 beses lang tayo magkita. At 3 days na yung pinamatagal. Kaya nga lagi kong hashtag ay 3S, saglit, subalit, sulit. Pero ngayon, nagbago na. Dahil araw-araw ay susulitin ko na dahil kasama kita.
In our relationship, no promises, no expectation, no frustration, no regrets, nor guilt. We, simply among the many LDRs couple who fought, believe, and stand to prove that love will not be enough to survive, but with all the hard work, trust, honesty, effort, communication, kahit pa parati ka naman din tulog o busy sa K-drama. Samahan mo pa na napakaraming away at tampuhan. Still, we may have different belief. But our relationship made us far because we put God as the center of everything.
Stop the clocks, the bees are humming in between the contrasts of our souls.
Tanda
na aking tapat,
ng aking tapat
na pag-ibig
na pag-ibig
at pagmamahal sa iyo.
at pagmamahal sa iyo.
Sana samahan tayo ng Diyos.
Sana samahan tayo.
Ang singsing na ito,
Iyo,
ang ibibigay ko sa iyo,
ang inusuot ko sa iyo,
ang isusuot ko sa
ay
iyo,
tanda
ay tanda,
na aking tapat,
aking tapat,
na pag-ibig
aking tapat na pag-ibig
at pagmamahal sa
at
iyo.
pagmamahal sa iyo.
Samahan tayo.
Samahan tayo ng Diyos.
Stop the clocks, the bees are humming in between the contrasts of our souls.
I still thank God for everything He has done to my journey, to our journey. So, intro pa lang yan. You know, kahit napakadaldal ko or maingay, I'm not good in words. How to say things properly.
Get out of
Ang pag-ibig ay hindi nagkukulang kailanman. Kahit naging mga hula ay magtapos, magiging mga wika ay titigil, maging kaalaman ay mawala. Ngunit ang pag-ibig ay mananatili magpakailan paman.
Patient and understanding na kasing lalim ng Philippine Deep and kasing lawak ng Pacific Ocean.
Pero pa ba?
P.S. May we have many children like 3 dosena. Basta ikaw ang magbubuntis. I love you.
There must be magic inside your bones.
I don't want to change things, but universe dictates the changes through time. Basta hold me tight and never let me go.
You feel like home. You feel like home. You feel like home. You feel like home.
promise you anything to be the very best wife you will have, but I will try to be a better person to stand to your side throughout our journey. Thick or thin, sickness or health, poor for food or furnitures. Until now, I'm not expecting anything in return, but praying for divine intervention to bless us a bountiful and wonderful marriage life. I love you, love ko.
You feel like home. You feel like home. You feel like home. You feel like home. When the lights go out.
Sama-sama natin haharapin ang hamon ng buhay. Dahil ika nga nila, two is better than one. Kaya huwag kang mag-alala dahil may karamay ka na sa lahat ng bagay. Huwag kang may stress dahil nandito lang ako para magbigay ng happiness. Hindi man pang KMJS ang kwento natin. Huwag kang mag-alala, hindi naman tayo matutulpo. Dahil sigurado ako na tama ang pinili mo. Dahil kung hindi, tatamaan ako. I love you every day. Love, love.
Like home. You feel like home.